Friends, welcome to my blog. Today we'll be discussing on IBM Maximo, that is the enterprise asset management tool. Now before going to IBM Maximo, we'll just see what enterprise asset management is all about. Enterprise asset management is a process of defining the assets and managing it from end to end, that is from procurement to the retirement of the asset. Enterprise can be any company or organization or a function or even a business unit. Asset is a material or the things that are required to function the business, and management is managing that asset from end to end, from procurement to the retirement or decommissioning of the asset. And in the organization, its importance is that it gives the ROI, it helps us in improving the return of investment on that asset. Now, the enterprise asset management's life cycle says that there are 4 steps in that. The first one is acquisition, second procurement, third commissioning, and fourth decommissioning or retirement. Now the first one is requisition, is that we send the request that we need to acquire this asset. It can be from outside the organization or the inter-organizational departmental transfer. So first one is that. Second is procuring it. So the procurement is like raising the request and then raising the order request and then getting the asset and then raising the invoice. Third one is commissioning, means it will go from one department to another department, which department it's going and who is the owner of that asset, and so the owner becomes responsible for that asset, and then he's been charged for that asset and he's been responsible for that, and throughout the life cycle he is the one who is going to maintain it, and the regular maintenance of that asset is done by him. So all that comes into this step. And the final step is decommissioning or retirement, is that when the asset is not required or when it becomes like it's not functioning, so it needs to be changed and it needs to be replaced. So that decommissioning also is most important, and where that asset is gone after the decommissioning, what is the price that asset has and what is the loss or profit we got from that asset, everything comes here. So these 4 steps. Now what are the benefits of this asset? The benefits of this EAM or asset management life cycle is that it helps in reducing cost, meeting legal requirements, enabling better planning, providing competitive advantage, enhancing information availability. So that's all for the life cycle of the enterprise asset management. In next video we will see what are the overviews of IBM Maximo. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.